In Asia, markets traded lower today as major indices seesawed between gains and losses. The Shanghai Composite fell 0.58%, while the Shenzhen Composite slipped 0.29%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index declined 1.41%. South Korea's Kospi dropped 2.3%, while the Kosdaq Index fell 3.4%. Japan's Nikkei 225 was down 0.93%. Australia's ASX 200 traded down 0.51%, with the heavily weighted financial sub-index down by 0.27%. And the U.S. stock futures pointed to a significantly lower open after the release of disappointing quarterly results from key tech companies. Our futures for the Dow Jones Industrial Average shed close to 1% at the open. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures also pointed to steep losses. And away from the markets, Glencore has reported a 12% rise in copper production this year, while cobalt rose 44%, boosted by the restart of Katanga's processing operations in Congo. The London-listed miner, which posted record half-year earnings in October, has seen higher costs and lower prices for cobalt and other byproducts. The company's share price has also been pressured by higher costs in the country because of a recent new mining code and a U.S. Department of Justice investigation. Glencore reiterated in full-year marketing guidance would come in at the top half of its $2.2 billion to $3.2 billion long-term range. An Africa-focused private equity firm, DPI, has bought a fifth of Moroccan foam mattress company, Dolido. DPI paid around $30 million for the 20% stake in Dolido, which was founded in 1972 and manufactures and sells foam mattresses, sofas, and non-woven textiles. According to DPI, the partnership will allow Dolido to expand in sub-Saharan Africa with an emphasis on West Africa. DPI, which has more than $1.1 billion in assets under management, has invested around $230 million across 5 investments in Morocco. And soft drinks company Coca-Cola Beverages Africa is expanding its sugar-free range of beverages, targeting increasingly health-conscious consumers. The company will introduce Fanta Zero next month, adding to the existing Sprite Zero, Stony Zero, and Coke Zero being sold in Kenya. Coca-Cola has been aggressively diversifying its soft drinks in Kenya, including the introduction of its milk juice blend under the Minute Maid range. And South Africa's official crop estimates committee says maize farmers intend to plant 6% more hectares of the staple grain in the 2018 and 2019 season, and farmers are expected to plant 2.44 million hectares of maize next season compared to 2.318 million hectares planted for the 2017-2018 when yields were affected by unfavorable weather conditions at the start of the season. The forecast was marginally lower than a poll anticipating 2.469 million hectares of maize to be sold. And South Africa's Bidvest tank terminals and liquefied petroleum gas firm Petrodec have launched the construction of a $70 million LPG import and storage facility in Richards Bay, north of Durban. The companies announced in a joint statement that the 22,600-ton facility will significantly increase the supply of LPG to the economy and allow for exports of the fuel to neighboring countries. Petrodec supplies most of South Africa's imported liquefied petroleum gas. The country uses about 400,000 tons of LPG annually, and the facility is expected to increase this by 200,000 tons a year. And after the break, we'll do a crossover to the Nigerian Stock Exchange for update on the market. To stay with us.